So today we're going to put our power supply into our Corsair 780T graphite series case. And this is the way you get the display side of the case off. It just nicely latches. Put that right there for now. And basically this is a pretty easy task. We're going to take our power supply, which is a Corsair RM650X. And this should fit in quite nicely. All you do is slide it in here, down along the bottom, and we should just be able to get it to mesh up nicely here. And of course, the main thing we don't want to do is to get these holes here to line up so we can actually screw it in nicely. So once again, I'm going to just finger tighten. That usually works out better, especially when you're just getting things started. So we got that one. This one here is running. So these are the screws that we're using. These are the power supply screws. They kind of have a built-in washer with them. So here, I'm just going to, some of these down here, they're going to be a little more difficult to screw in without a screwdriver, so I'm going to use the screwdriver to reach down here. And I just have enough magnetism in this to actually work right now. And this last screw right here. This will go in the lower left-hand corner. Okay. So a pretty easy task. And now we're just really tightening things down so things are snug. This is one of the easier parts of the build. Okay, and we're done with that step. Okay, so now is the easiest part of the build actually. We're going to be installing the Samsung VNAND SSD 850 EVO 1 terabyte drive into our 780T case, and we're also going to install an old optical drive that I had for a while. We'll use that just for the installation of Windows. So here, I mean, it's incredibly easy to install. All you have to do is pull down on this lever, slide it back, and it just kind of snaps into place, and it is secured. So that's incredibly easy. So now we're about ready to put the optical drive into the 780T case. Now it's hard for me to show you, but if you reach in back here, there is a lever on each one of these, and cameraman, if you can come around this side, you can see that these just pop out. So basically this is how we're going to be installing the optical drive. Once again, we can do this without any screws, and we just plop this guy in, and there's a latch on this side which should enable me to push this in. And I guess I have to get it also on this side. Kind of snapped in a little bit stronger than I expected, but basically it fits very, very snug once it does that. So this case makes it pretty easy for us to snap it in. And of course, come over here one more time just so you can see this. And so this is the main latch that I had to let go of, and I just snapped that back into place, and that secures it. And I guess if I undo this, that'll also allow me to take out the optical drive later.